morning guys, welcome back to my another day from Rishikesh Diaries. And let me tell you, I'm really enjoying the Rishikesh place. It's really very peaceful and really worth the visit place, and it has a very different vibe because the place where I am staying near Ramjula is very calm place, peaceful place. I don't know about other place in Rishikesh, but I tell you, Rishikesh has a very different vibe, very spirituality vibe. It's really a peaceful place. And during monsoon, it's like it rains sometime, then it's sunny, then again in the evening it is raining. It has a very different type of weather, and it is worth exploring. So whenever I am traveling or exploring a place, I mostly prefer to walk, because walking give you a lot of freedom to explore wherever you wanted to stop and just explore that place. But when you're driving the car, you get limited options because you might not find parking there or something like this. So I always prefer walking. एंड वॉकिंग का सबसे बेस्ट बेनिफिट जो है वो है दैट यू गेट टू मेंटेन योर हेल्थ एज वेल एज सेकेंड थिंग इज इफ़ यू आर अ पर्सन हु लव्स ट्रैकिंग दिस स्टेप्स, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग व्हेन यू आर ट्रैवलिंग और exploring a place. Start walking. It's really good for health. I used to visit Rishikesh very often in few back years, but this is the first time I'm exploring the Rishikesh as unexplored places, because I always used to visit like River Ganga, have a dip in River Ganga, and then just say explore visiting 2-3 temples and some jhula, some bridges like Ram Jhula and Lakshman Jhula, not more than that. But this is the first time I visited a waterfall and everything in Rishikesh. It is a different experience this time, and I'm really happy with my exploring. I know I might not have discovered or explored Rishikesh enough even now, but I'm happy and satisfied this time because I am exploring a very different Rishikesh this time. So finally we are on the way to Lakshman Jhula, and you can see here, and as comparatively to Ram Jhula, Lakshman Jhula के पास बहुत ज़्यादा traffic होता है as well as crowd also, and also cafe options are more on Lakshman Jhula side rather than Ram Jhula side. So it will just take approx 5 more minutes to reach Lakshman Jhula there, and I will be showing you that soon. So finally, like walking for 20-25 minutes, I'm finally at Lakshman Jhula. Come along with me. So let's talk about the Lakshman Jhula, which is exactly behind me, as you can see in the video. So it was built in 1923, and initially this Lakshman Jhula was 284 feet above the ground. So when 1924 it was washed away in the floods, then it was reconstructed, and the new height is 450 feet. This bridge was constructed again, and it was available for the people of here in 1930, and this bridge has a very significance, and it's iconic bridge in Uttarakhand tourism and as well as for Uttarakhand. And it's iron suspension bridge which is made. It is believed that Lord Ram and Lord Lakshman crossed this bridge on 2 ropes. That's why this bridge got the name Lakshman Jhula from it. So this Jhula which is behind me is newly constructed in 1930, and this Jhula was also stopped in July 12, 2019 due to it might get crashed or it is not suitable for the traffic or even for walking. So it was stopped that this will not be used for further purpose and future, but it was said that it will be made new. Till now I am not seeing any construction going here. So this is the only old Jhula which is right now, and I see one thing is that motor permission is not there, only walking is allowed, but still it is risky. But till new bridge doesn't come, we have to go with this only. So after visiting Lakshman Jhula, I have taken a left turn from that after crossing it, and I have come downstairs to river Ganga. You can see behind me, so you can see the whole view, and this side you will find a lot of cafes this side, and you can see the view. River Ganga is coming and the mountains, and there is a ghat also in front. So after exploring Lakshman Jhula, now we have come for the lunch, and we are at this beautiful cafe known as the Freedom Cafe. So when you're exiting from Lakshman Jhula, you need to take right, and you need to come little like 10 minutes walk, and then you will find on small lane you will find this Freedom Cafe, and it's really very beautiful cafe just next to river Ganga. And let me show you the cafe now. And this is the cafe. You can find a sitting here also. We didn't choose this seat because it's really sunny right now, and this is the whole structure of cafe, and you can see it's really made beautiful, and you can see this cafe, the structure of whole cafe, and it's really very beautiful cafe. I'm ordering my lunch here. I will be showing what all I've ordered, and I will be reviewing it, so keep watching the whole vlog. Vegetable noodles, and this is pasta, and this is chocolate frappe, and this is cold coffee. We will have this and let you know the review about this cafe. After having my lunch, so let's review the cafe. So my cafe reviewing will be on ambience, value for money, taste and location, everything. So let's start with it. Food wise, taste, I would say it is really good. The thing which you also saw in the video was chocolate frappe, cold coffee, Kit Kat shake and pizza and veg noodles, and last but not the least was pasta. Pasta, I would say it was okayish. I would not say extraordinary taste or something like great, but it was okayish. It was like you would love it. But if you have a very different taste, then you will not go for pasta. It was not that great. Pizza, I would give thumbs up. It was really tasty. I ordered paneer pizza. It was really worth a try. And veg noodles were also really tasty. It was good. In cold coffee and chocolate frappe, they were really good. They were really thick shakes and it was really tasty. But I would not recommend Kit Kat shake because it was not good. It was like very thin, and I didn't find Kit Kat shake. In Kit Kat shake, Kit Kat taste was not at all there. And ambience wise, you will love it. It is really good. Location is so beautiful, exactly in front of river Ganga, and sitting capacity is also great, and service wise also 5 out of 5. It is really good. And for value, for like rate wise, you will find them little higher side, but if you are from Delhi, you will find it to be okay. So I would be giving price wise 4.5 out of 5. And overall, I would recommend this cafe to you definitely. If you are in Rishikesh, do give a try to Freedom Cafe. It is really worth a visit, and you will find the food really good here. And Also the view is really beautiful. I'm at afternoon time, evening time it's more beautiful because you can have a view of Lakshman Jhula as well as river, and it's worth sitting there. You can enjoy your time with your loved ones and everything. It is really good. So from my side it's a thumbs up. Do once, if you are in Rishikesh, do give it a chance once to Freedom Cafe. This is for today's review in cafes. So after having lunch, now we are headed to market for some shopping. You know, everyone loves shopping, so I'm also going for shopping. So let's come and check out with me what all stuff you find in Rishikesh. Let me show you the thing which I brought it from Rishikesh market. So let's get started with it. I didn't shop much from Rishikesh market because most of the items there you get it in Delhi also. So, and also I feel I didn't require them, so I didn't waste a lot of money or something like this. So I just brought 2-3 pieces, or you can say shopping items, not more than that. So let me show you what all I brought it. So the best thing which you can get it when you're traveling is obviously fridge magnets. So that is the first product of mine which I brought it, and you can see these are the fridge magnet and really love them. You can see it's totally different. No, nothing is written whether it's Rishikesh. It's like adventure and it's rafting, and as you all know, rafting is really famous in Rishikesh, and I missed it because it was not allowed due to COVID protocols. Rafting was not allowed in Rishikesh. And the best thing is you can make it in, put it in your bag also, or you can make it as a fridge magnet also. He said it like ₹60 each, but when we were, like he said, ma'am le lo, laga lenge price, so he gave me at ₹50 each. So this is the magnet. You can see the other magnet is this one, which have like a cup, a tea and leaves, and this was specially because everyone in your house is tea lover, so this is specially for tea lover. And this is the beautiful magnet which signifies Rishikesh. It's have a Lakshman Jhula and a temple. So these were the magnets which I brought, and this is the magnet I brought it. This is the mountains are calling and I should go. So this was the mount, and it was really a beautiful magnets which I love, and they have a lot of option, but I just brought these 4 and these costed me ₹200. And second thing which you find a lot in Rishikesh is Rudraksh, and you will find Rudraksh bracelets, Rudraksh mala and lot. So I brought in this Rudraksh mala, and I got it 2. One was for other person and second was my brother. He wanted to make it bracelet, so I got it at ₹100 each. So this was the Rudraksh mala which I got it, and I asked them, everyone has the same price, ₹100, so no bargaining. And also, like, everyone is affected by the COVID, the shutdowns or lockdown, so I didn't bargain also much. So whatever the price they were giving me, I accepted the price. So here it is. This is this bag. And the third thing which I brought is a sweet which is now like over. It was besan ke laddu, and I got it from Geeta Sweet Shop. It is near Ram Jhula, and I tell you, it's really a very like famous shop there. And also when you eat this sweet, I just recommend you do try the sweets because they're totally made in Desi ghee, and I tell you that they taste really good. And in my home everyone loved the laddu. They were really tasty, so I would definitely recommend to you, you should give a try. And the fourth thing is, I didn't buy it, but I find it like a lot of shops were there, were the marble statues there, and they were really good statues. You will find a lot of good statues there, so if you wanted, you can buy them, and you will find them at really good price. So I would suggest you, if you are looking for some good marble structure statues or something, then you should definitely go for the you should definitely go for it in Rishikesh. So this is for my shopping, and I hope you loved my video, and this is for today's vlog also. Till I see you in the next vlog, keep yourself healthy and safe. And if you loved my video, don't forget to hit on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to it. And if you need any help for planning for your Rishikesh trip, do let me know in the comment section. I would be very happy to help you. So this is for today's vlog. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye. All I ordered, as you saw in ये जोजो को देख लो कैसे कर रहे हैं। जोजो नहीं देने वाले आज खाना आपको, नहीं मिलेगा
जरूर।
हाँ